Hi everyone, my name is Jason Cardoso. I'm the product manager for Positronic's Mach-D connector line here at CDM. Mach-D is designed for harsh environments and works with any M24 308 connector. With machined aluminum or stainless steel shells, it delivers reliable EMI protection. Its rugged design resists shock, vibration, and impact, making it ideal for satellites, defense vehicles, avionics, navigation, naval, and oil and gas applications. Optional features include a grounding strip, rear grommet, and interfacial seal for added EMI protection without unnecessary cost. There are 3 types available: MCD standard density, MCDD high density, and MCBX combo density. With 36 layouts from 9 to 104 positions, you can configure high voltage, coax, and power contacts to fit your exact needs. Mach-D, engineered to perform where others fail. Contact CDM today to find your right Mach-D solution for your application.